Welcome to iBuild, the #1 company for marble and porcelain flooring in Marbella. Marble is a type of stone that has been used for centuries in both residential and commercial settings. This material is often known as one of the most luxurious options on the market, and with good reason. With its classic beauty, marble flooring adds elegance to any space. Marble flooring can be found in many colors, shapes, and styles depending on what you are looking for. The beautiful thing about marble flooring is that it doesn't have to be polished all the time. Porcelain flooring is a great option for anyone looking for hard-wearing, durable and easy-to-clean floors. Porcelain is one of the hardest natural materials, so it will not show scratches or scuffs. Porcelain also does not absorb liquids like wood or carpet, making it a great choice for high-use areas that are prone to spills and pet accidents. If you are in the market for new porcelain flooring, iBuild Marbella has many styles and colors to choose from at prices that fit any budget. We have some of the best prices in Spain. Both porcelain or else marble flooring look great because they have an attractive polished finish that can be installed over many different types of surfaces. They are also stain resistant, so spills or accidents should not damage your beautiful floors. If you are looking for a professional and well-established construction company in Marbella, give iBuild a call today.